In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate zoom on iPhone. If your phone screen is zoomed in and you can't navigate easily, here's the simplest way to fix it. Double tap the screen with the 3 fingers to temporarily zoom out. This will give you access to the normal interface. Next, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Select Zoom and toggle it off. And just like that, zoom is disabled and your screen is back to normal. If you can't use your iPhone screen or you prefer an alternative, you can turn it off by using Mac or PC. Connect your iPhone using Lightning cable on Mac with macOS, Catalina, or later open the Finder window. Select your device when it appears and click on Configure Accessibility. From there, you can turn off zoom. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.